Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, from the flight deck. Port number 1 for the reef runway. Flight attendants, please be seated for takeoff. Thank you.
Off from the reef runway on the island of Oahu. Oahu is third in size of the Hawaiian chain, hence nicknamed the gathering place. Appropriately so, she's home to about 85% of the Hawaiian Islands population. Just about 1 million people live here. We're approaching some of the industrial and business districts of the city of Honolulu. Honolulu, meaning peaceful or sheltered bay, has been the Hawaiian Islands capital since 1865. Formerly, the capital was on Maui in the whaling town of Lahaina. We're approaching the downtown and Honolulu Harbor area. Just inland is Punchbowl Crater, the war memorial to the Pacific, and your backdrop is beautiful Ko'olau mountain range making up most of eastern Oahu. First stretch of white sandy beach you see is the Ala Moana Beach Park. Inland from there is the Ala Moana Shopping Center, which is followed by the Ala Yacht Harbor and the world famous coastline of Waikiki. Down at the end of Waikiki Beach, Hawaii's most famous and photographed landmark, Mount Leahi, better known to us as Diamond Head, receiving her name from British sailors in the early 1800s who discovered crystals on the slopes and mistook them for diamonds. Her highest point facing the ocean, Leahi Point, 762 feet above sea level. Buildings in the crater are owned and operated by FAA, Civil Defense, Hawaii National Guard, and the Honolulu Police Department. And we'll be making a left-hand turn over the Ka'ibi or Molokai Channel. Your last points of interest on Oahu are Coco Head and Coco Crater. And as we are leaving the island chain, if you are seated on the right side of the airplane, you may view some of the other islands. Next to view is the friendly island of Molokai. Across from there is the island of Lanai, and beyond those are Maui and the Big Island. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to remind you now the flight is designated no smoking. Smoking is strictly prohibited in the cabin. Lavatories are equipped with smoke detectors. It's a violation of federal law to tamper with, disable, or to disarm an installed detector. Captain Bowman still has the fasten seatbelt sign on. He'll keep it on until he feels it's safe to move about the cabin. Should he turn off the seatbelt sign anytime during our flight, we strongly suggest to keep your seatbelts at least loosely fastened about you. And it is the policy of Hawaiian Airlines, should you need to get up out of your seat for any reason, when you return your seat, please refasten your seatbelt. You can use approved electronics at this time. For your convenience, in the main cabin, you will find 5 lavatories, 2 of them in the back of the aircraft, 3 lavatories in the center section, 1 lavatory in our business class cabin. This lavatory is, however, reserved for business class passengers. Like crew members, we'd like to ask those of you in the main cabin to kindly respect our business class cabin. With the estimated flight time of 4 hours 53 minutes, we should be arriving in San Francisco at approximately 9 p.m. To you'd like to adjust your watches now to West Coast time. Turn your clocks 2 hours ahead. And it's now just about 4:14 in the afternoon. Now please sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Aloha again. We're back to tell you all about the wonderful plans our team has made to make this Hawaiian flight unique.
But first, may we ask for your kokoro, your assistance? If you're seated near a video monitor, please lower the window shade to improve the viewing screens throughout the cabin.
We've arranged for plenty of Hawaiian-style entertainment for you today. There are 10 channels of audio programming showcasing all sorts of Hawaiian music, plus a mix of pop, jazz, and classical favorites.
There is a fee charge to utilize the entertainment system on board, whether you choose to use a headset provided by us or one of your own.
Another option available to you is to rent a personal media player. They contain movies, TV shows, music videos, and song selections. Throughout the flight, we'll have beverages available to you, and later in the flight, we'll be offering you a complimentary meal service. Now that's Hawaiian. We have even more choices for you. You can purchase a treat from the snack cart, which will be coming down the aisles. And we offer soft drinks as well as alcoholic beverages.
By the way, this flight is cashless. All transactions are by debit or credit cards.
In just a few minutes, we'll begin with today's video features. Please enjoy your flight. We're happy to have you aboard. Mahalo.